Today, we're taking a closer look at this Shift Power USA throttle response controller for the 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s. This is going to be perfect for Silverado owners who want to eliminate that throttle lag and add a more responsive, performance-focused feel to their drive without making any major engine modifications. Whether you're daily driving or towing, this little module helps the truck feel sharper and give you a stronger takeoff right off the line. This Shift Power throttle controller is all about fine-tuning how your truck responds when you step on that gas pedal. It modifies your electronic signal from your pedal to the throttle body, giving you the ability to reduce or enhance the throttle response with very good precision. It's going to modify the electronic signal from your pedal to the throttle body, giving you the ability to reduce or enhance that throttle response with very fine precision. It offers multiple driving modes like Eco, Sport, Super Sport, and even Race, all of which can be adjusted further in little increments for a totally custom feel. It also has built-in anti-theft mode, which disables the throttle response entirely when activated. What's cool is you can even control everything from a mobile app via Bluetooth, giving you fine adjustments on the fly. No tuning or permanent modifications to your ECU are going to be involved here. It's just a plug and play and completely reversible setup. This controller unit features a compact digital module paired with a wiring harness that taps into the factory pedal assembly. It uses high quality connectors that are OE grade for reliable fitment and connection. It has a clean look and it's very minimal, and the overall setup is designed for a sleek install that doesn't get in the way of your cabin layout. With its rugged housing and the straightforward layout, it's built to handle long-term use without failing. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid-200s price range. Now, that's right in line with the premium throttle controllers on the market, but what's gonna set this one apart is the blend of the wireless app control, safety features, and precise mode tuning. Installation is going to be straightforward, so we're going to rate this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 15 minutes of setup time. Everything is plug and play using factory style connectors, so let's head on out to the shop and they can walk you through the process to show you exactly how that install goes.
All right, today we're going to be installing a throttle controller in our Silverado, so let's get started. So now we're going to get ready to install our controller. So we have our control module with our harness. Now our harness plugs into our pedal. You're going to disconnect the connector that's on there. One end will go into the factory harness. The other end will go into our pedal. So let's get that in now. So we're going to go to our accelerated pedal and go follow it up. You'll find the connector. There is a locking tab. Lift that up and then push down and we can release our connector. Now we're going to plug our harness into our harness here. Secure the red locking tab and put this other end into your pedal and then secure the locking tab also. Lock that down. Now we're going to grab our module. You'll see a little red connector there. We're going to grab our button and plug that in. Now we're just going to tuck this behind this trim panel here. Make sure it's out of the way of the pedal and your foot. You don't want your foot getting caught on a wire. We're just going to tuck the rest of ours away and run it up alongside of our trim here and tuck it behind. And we're going to mount our button about here on the dash. Now you can mount it wherever you want, but we're going to do ours right here. So I tucked my wire up here just under our trim so it just stays tight. We'll pull our backing on our double-sided tape. Just reach that up, secure it to our dash like so. All right, so we're just going to go over the features real quick. You'll see that we do have an app here that you can change through. We also have the button. Now the button does change colors to what mode you're on. So this is off. And then we have D, S, SS, and then R. You can do the same thing from the app, whether you want to change it here or there. You also on the app have a lock feature and a valet. Valet will limit the throttle response, and then lock will actually disable your pedal completely. And that wraps up our install of our Shift Power USA throttle response controller for our 2019 and newer Silverado 1500. And remember, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.